Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to allow everyone to mention you on Instagram. This feature can enhance your visibility and help you connect with a broader audience. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you haven't updated the app recently, now is a great time to do so for the best experience. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Next, you'll want to click on the More icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This will open a menu with various options related to your account settings. Now, scroll through the menu and find Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial as it controls who can tag or mention you in their posts and stories. Tap on it to proceed. Under the Who Can Mention You section, you will see an option that says, Allow mentions from everyone. Select this option to enable it. By doing this, you're allowing all Instagram users, regardless of whether they follow you or not, to mention your username in their posts, comments, and stories. Once you've made this selection, your changes will automatically be saved. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed everyone on Instagram to mention you. It's important to remember that while this feature can significantly boost your visibility and engagement on the platform, it may also lead to unwanted mentions from spam accounts or irrelevant users. Therefore, keep an eye on your notifications and be prepared to manage any unwanted interactions. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your presence on Instagram and engage with a wider audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Instagramming!